Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today is about me. I'm residing in Dubai. Since after my marriage, I shifted to Dubai with my husband. So, but there's a lot of difference, when I see a life in India and again the life in Dubai. So it is a lot of changes. So I really like Dubai because it's in the beginning the only climate was super hot, so I was not happy to stay. But later, it's been seventh year, 7 years going to be. But I see, the Dubai is really special, and it is a place. There is lot of facts that we have to accept. And then I really like Dubai because there's some reasons I have figured out why I like Dubai, so that I want to share with you all happily. So number one, I got married, and in 2015 February, Jan, I shifted after my marriage. I got married in January 26th of Republic Day in India. So in February I shifted to Dubai. See, when I shifted, me and my Ruben, we started our marriage life here in Dubai. So it is like for both of us were starting, we had lot of fightings, arguments, and a lot of misunderstanding, but still we were able to overcome and we can lead our life together so far. So 2015 to 2021, it's almost like a 6 years. So we are celebrating our, happy marriage life together. So that's why, the Dubai was my second house. I feel like my second house where I shifted to, the second home after my marriage. So still, I didn't give up here to lead my life. So that's a good, good thing here. So that is the one reason. And the second reason is, my kids, they both born in Dubai. My elder one, she is, I was able to, my husband, by God grace, he was doing well. So he was taken care of everything with the help of our prayer group. So we finished our delivery here, and for my first delivery and my second delivery, my mother-in-law, who came to take care of me, she came and she took care of me. So she did her best, so for me to, stay here with my husband. So, and right now my kids, they feel like, it is their born city, their birth city where they born. And they feel like it is their own place, it's their mother place, like it's their mother country, they feel that. So that is the second reason where I like Dubai, because me, my husband, and my kids, they were here. So that's the two reasons. And that is my personal reasons why I'm being here. And third is, I like Dubai because I can see lot of different nationalities. It is not like only in India means all only Indians are there. Different states, different language talking people, we can say. But here, uh, different languages along with different nationalities, each country's their customs are different, and their they grew up is different, and their backgrounds are different. But still yet here, almost 200 nationalities are there in UAE, any part of UAE. If you take Dubai, if you take Sharjah, if you take Ras Al Khaimah, Alain, Fujairah, in Abu Dhabi, if you take any part of Emirate, so there is more than 200, like 200 approximately, we can say. uh, it's 200 nationalities are there. They all with the families, they do speak different languages where we can't understand. And they have their own customs, they have their own traditional values. and it is a different cultural diversity, I could say. And it is so happy to see, when we go to a park with the family, we see like, so many different national, like we see Pakistanis, we see Africans, we see Filipinos, we see Nepalis, likewise the list goes on. Even we see localities, they come up with their kandura dress, and then their own abayan dress, everything. So it is so nice to see there are different cultures, people, they have different country background. So that is the one reason, I like to see this different culture background people, and it is so nice with them as well. So that, but still, they all are staying in one region, and they all are obeying the rules of government, and they all are following their life here. They are working here, and their families are here, and their kids are born here, and they are all kids are going to schools. Even my daughter, she gonna start her schools in the this academic year, and she's super excited because she is also going to mingle with a lot of different nationalities peoples. So it is like a international experience. It's really more joy and fun to explore with them. The third is I can see tallest buildings, like I see in India like not that much tallest building, but I'm so sorry to say that I'm not putting my first country down, but I'm just, I have not seen those kind of tallest building what I'm seeing right now in Dubai, because I am from a small village, so I haven't seen that. So such a big building, I see like apartments right now is coming up, big apartment. Otherwise, my locality in India, it's small village, where I have seen, like 2 BHK houses, maximum like 3 BHK house like that, and big, uh, like a big land like that I have seen. But here I see, desert. I saw the desert, and then tallest buildings like Burj Khalifa, even the apartments like so big tall. We are staying like 20 or 30 floors of apartments like that. So see, when I see a big apartments, it always makes me to dream big, and I feel like I have to achieve something big. Why the building is so tall? I cannot grow like the apartment grows, but I can do something where my success goes till the such a big apartment. I used to think that way. uh, that is also kind of motivation for me. When I see tallest building, I lift my neck, and I see the tallest building. So it is so beautiful, it is like a very nicely they have designed, and different infrastructure, like different designs, lot of buildings are like different structure, they have done a great. So when I see all these, so really feel like I have to do something, staying here for the past 7 years. So I have to do something where my success, or where my hard work goes till the tallest building. So that's how I have taken this tallest buildings. I really like the tallest building, and I hope you will like, if you're staying in part of any UAE, you will also see the same thing. And I'm sure you will also motivate yourself, to do something, like to do something achievement in your life, whether you are staying in Dubai, or if you are staying in any part of UAE, or if you are staying in India, anywhere of any world region. So if you think the tallest building, please remember that there is not only the buildings cannot be tall, even your dreams are tall, even your dreams are very big. You can dream big, and you can achieve big. So please friends, I hope this will motivate you at least smaller way, where you can do more. Okay. And then the fourth is, I see here the special thing about respecting a woman, respecting a family, where that is too much important. See, I whenever I've been through some places like a government, the visa processing departments, or Emirates ID processing, Emirates ID processing department, or even to the government hospitals, or post offices. If you visit any such kind of places, so other government authorities, they have a respect for the woman who comes. They have a different token to serve the, I mean, to get the service from the immigration departments. So likewise, if you go to government hospital as well, they will not allow man to enter. They will give a special priority for the women's, pregnant ladies. Even in metro, they have given special priority for the women's. So for the, the metro cabinets separate for the females. So these all, when we see, it is like, it shows that, so much of respect they are giving to the families, women's, females. So definitely it is a good sign, so what is that mean? When we respect our family, like when we respect our females, when we respect our ladies in our life, definitely we are going ahead in our life. So that's how, the UAE is the very fast moving, and it is growing like, abundantly, I could say. It is growing very famous, and they are into, they are achieving big, 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 and always they are into, doing something innovative for the country. And they always do better, better for the country. So we cannot think the Dubai, like, changing anything else right now. What is there, we cannot think about it. It is like, we can't speak till 20 years of time. We cannot speak. So that much of high tech, that much of, the fast forward, there is nothing, we cannot lack. When we see a building, we cannot lack, like, the building supposed to be like this. We doesn't have anything such kind of, talking, like, supposed to be, or still do better. There is no such kind of words we use when we see the building. So that is the good thing about UAE, where, we everyone has to accept the facts. So even I have accepted. And the last but not the least is, the discipline, or the following the rules in UAE is very compulsory. If not, everyone will get a big fines, big amount. When we compare those amount with our back home country currencies, it's too much high. So we will be so scared to pay the fine. So we all will follow the, the rules whatever the government is giving here. Because see, even, it's not, I don't say it is a wrong, it is really very good for the country. Because see, there is almost 200 nationalities are there, and each country is having their own different background, but we all are coming together as expats of UAE. So definitely there is a rules where we have to listen, we have to obey, so that, it is a country betterment, for our future, even for our kids to, go ahead with their life here. And friends, not only that, see, it gives always, when we follow the rules in country, like in UAE, being an expats or being an localities, whoever, like, but we all are also part of UAE, and we feel like this is our second home. So this is very special for us as well. Following the rules, it always keeps us, uh, more disciplined in our life also. So what we can learn with these facts, I learned, especially, being disciplined in my life also is very important. So that, my growth in my life, there will be a growth. If I myself, if my life is especially with lot of disciplined life, like, having a family rules and regulation here in my family is also is there. So we both of us, like me, my husband, my two kids, we all are made a rules in my house, for the betterment of our family. So just thinking of all this, so I believe that UAE is very good facts they have, that very good, the true realities we have, that everyone has to accept. And there is much more to learn as well here. And take it in a positive way, that whatever I have told you, please take it in a positive way, implement those things in your life. So no, there will be sure success in your life. The way is UAE is progressing in their country, they're progressing their country forward. Likewise, when we see those strategies we can implement, I'm sure this video is giving you about that. So you can implement those strategies in your personal life, in your career life, in your family life. I'm sure there will be a progress in your life. So friends, I hope you like this video. So if you like the videos, do like the video and share with your friends and family members. And so subscribe to the channel. That's all for the day. So thank you, see you again in the next video. So bye bye.